Hey, welcome to day 3 of Identifying Reasons. We're continuing with the standard RI 3.8 with prompting and support. Identify the reasons an author gives to support points in a text. Today we are using this text, Eat Better by Linda Gold. Let me zoom in on this a little bit so you can see it a little easier. Okay, I'm going to read this text to you, and then we are going to focus on an important idea and then talk about the reasons the author gives, for this important idea. Okay. Eat Better by Linda Gold. Make healthy choices. It's a good idea to eat foods that are good for you. They will help you grow, keep you healthy, and make you feel better. Healthy foods are anytime foods. You can eat them anytime. Enjoy them as a snack or pack them for lunch. Healthy foods, like fruits and vegetables, are also colorful. Fill your plate with different colors. Then you will have lots of vitamins and minerals to help you grow. You will have energy to play and have fun. You will feel good. Okay, so we are going to talk about the important idea in this third paragraph. It says you should fill your plate with fruits and veggies. So fill your plate with different colors like fruits and veggies. Okay, so now we are going to try to find reasons for that. So let's look in this paragraph and see which reasons support our important idea. What will help you grow? What will help you grow? Then you will have lots of vitamins and minerals that will help you grow. So what helps you grow? Vitamins and minerals. What helps you play and have fun? This sentence says you will have energy to play and have fun. So the energy you get from the fruits and vegetables will help you play and have fun. What will make you feel good? You will feel good. Healthy fruits and vegetables will help you feel good. So why should you fill your plates with fruits and veggies? They will give you vitamins and minerals to help you grow. They will give you energy to play, and they will make you feel good. So now we are going to look at this page in our student workbook, and we are going to find reasons to support our important idea. Our important idea is our important idea is you should fill your plate with fruits and vegetables. So now we need reasons to support that. This reason says you will get vitamins and minerals to grow. Does that support that you should fill your plate with fruits and vegetables because you will get vitamins and minerals to grow? Yes, so we're going to circle that one. Okay, so the next reason is you will have energy to play. Does that support why you should fill your plate with fruits and vegetables? Because you will have energy to play? Yep, so that's one of our reasons. Our last reason, you will feel better. You should fill your plate with fruits and vegetables because you will feel better. Does that support our important idea? Yes, so that's also one. Okay, so I am going to post a quiz in Forms, and I want you to select the reasons that support our important idea. Have a great day.